Dreame, a prominent player in the Indian market, introduced the Dreame U10 Cordless vacuum cleaner along with other products in early 2024. Priced at 12,999 rupees ($155), the U10 boasts a sleek design, weighing just 1.65 kilograms, and comes with a range of accessories, including a multi-surface brush, extension rod, and wide combination tool. Powered by a high-speed brushless motor operating at 100,000 RPM, the U10 offers impressive 100 AW suction power and features 3 adjustable power modes. The device's 0.5-liter dust cup is easily removable and washable, equipped with a 5-layer filtration system with 99.9% efficiency. The multi-surface brush is designed for both carpets and hard floors, featuring V-shaped bristles and LED lights for enhanced visibility. The wide combination tool proves versatile with its movable bristle-equipped part for open areas and tube-like part for tight spaces. Operating the U10 is user-friendly, with a simple grip and trigger-shaped power button. The wall mount provides easy storage, and the durable build ensures longevity. The vacuum's noise levels vary with power settings, making it suitable for different environments. Maintenance is hassle-free, with an easy-to-empty dust cup and washable filtration system. The U10's removable battery pack, equipped with 7 by 2000 mAh batteries, offers an impressive 40-hour runtime, covering typical cleaning sessions without frequent recharging. In conclusion, the Dreame U10 Cordless vacuum cleaner is positioned as a powerful, user-friendly, and efficient cleaning option, making it a compelling choice for those considering a switch from traditional corded vacuums to the convenience of cordless cleaning.